Suntech, a manufacturer of broaching machines, is participating here at IMTEX 2023 Metal Cutting Edition. And here we are with the Managing Director of the company, Mr. Harshad Nemade. Hello sir, how are you?
Good morning, I'm fine, thank you. How are you?
I am also fine sir. So how has been the exhibition so far?
Yeah, from my voice you can make out that the first 3 days have been extremely overwhelming. The response is extremely good, much more than what we had expected, and I'm 100% optimistic that we will be converting a lot of inquiries into fruitful orders.
That is really great. So would you like to talk a little bit about your company, sir?
Yes, basically we are an Italian collaboration. Now we are 100% Indian company because we have taken over all the equity. We are into manufacturing of broaching machines and broaching tools. From hydraulic to servo-driven CNC broaching machines and state-of-the-art broaching tools, as you can see the exhibits shown here. We are a 28-year-old company with a young and dynamic team, and I'm very proud to say that we are the leading broaching machine manufacturer representing India on the global map.
That is really amazing. So sir, we can see that IMTEX is a very big exhibition,
yes,
and the Metal Cutting Edition is one of the biggest shows in the machine tool industry. So we are seeing that there are a lot Indian manufacturers present in this exhibition,
yes,
and there are also international companies as well.
Yes.
So since you are so close to the industry, would you like to tell us a little bit about how do you think, like according to you, how Indian manufacturing industry is competing to the international market?
Yes, it's a very good question. We have been participating not in IMTEX only but also abroad, and myself personally I am into the industry for last 25 years, and I have seen from one booth in the international exhibition to so many Indian companies coming up. This year also I can see more Indian companies and a lot of innovations happening in all aspects everywhere in the industry, and it is a very good sign. It is very proud to see so much happening in India, and I see that India is going to be #1 in very short time.
And this is actually true. The Indian manufacturing industry, the whole scenario is changing slowly and steadily, and we can see how competitive Indian brand is getting with the international brands as well. So lastly, I would like to know that in this global market, how is your company bringing an impact to the industry?
Yeah. Basically, we are focused into innovation, productivity, energy efficiency, and giving the maximum cost per piece benefit to the customer. And we are, as I mentioned earlier, we are the leading broaching machine manufacturers. So new technology is our main focus. Industry 4.0, Internet of Things. These are the main areas which are the future of the industry, and that is where we are leading.
So we have witnessed that there are so many companies here at IMTEX in this exhibition that they are promoting Industry 4.0, talking about the advanced technological advancements that is happening in the whole manufacturing industry. So it's really great to see how the Indian manufacturers, the backbone of our Indian economy, are contributing to the industry and as well as to the country. So all the very best to you and your company, sir.
Thank you, Pratiksha.
Thank you.